Spotting foundation problems early can save you from a ton of hassle and serious cash down the line when your walls start cracking or your floors get uneven. So, first off, keep an eye out for cracks in your walls or floors. These are super common signs that something's up with your foundation. If you notice doors or windows that don't close right or seem off-center, that's another red flag because it means the frame might be shifting. Uneven floors? Yeah, that's a big one too. If you feel your floor slanting or dipping, your foundation might be settling in a bad way. You can also look for gaps between the walls and ceiling or baseboards pulling away. If you see any water pooling near your foundation or notice mold, it could mean water damage is messing things up. Try tapping on walls for hollow sounds, which sometimes mean cracks inside. Lastly, pay attention to any new cracks around chimneys or fireplaces, since those can be extra sensitive to foundation shifts. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with foundation issues is ignoring early cracks. They think it's no big deal, but it often gets worse fast, so fixing them early is key. Another common problem is trying to patch up visible cracks without checking what's causing them. That just hides the issue and lets the foundation keep sinking or shifting. Lastly, a lot of folks skip getting a professional inspection because they want to save money, but that can cost way more in the long run if the problem goes unnoticed or untreated. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to foundation repairs and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more jobs, they help you connect with people who need your services right in your area.